and welcome back to my channel. I'm Irium. If you're new to my channel, hi, don't forget to subscribe. Today I've got a makeup look for you guys. It's my auntie's wedding, so you know, I thought I'd film my makeup look for you. It's an Asian wedding, so I've never really done like this type of makeup on my channel before. And I'm not a makeup artist and I don't really know much about makeup as I hardly wear it, but yeah, please don't judge. I hope you enjoy this, and please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below anything you want to see, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, let's get to it.
So I start off by priming and concealing my lids. I then go in with the setting powder so my eyes don't get like oily throughout the day. I then start off with this light kind of brown and I blend that into my crease. I then darken it by adding this more chocolate brown into it, and I blend that into my crease. So I want this look to be like really well blended and really subtle. So normally I would use concealer, but this time I just placed a light eyeshadow onto my lids. I then go in with these three shimmers, I mix them together and then place them on my lids just to give it that pop of gold and shimmer. I then do my eyebrows, and with my eyebrows I love them looking like natural. I didn't want them to be too like dark and, you know, or filled in too much. So then I prep the face, so I moisturize and then I use this primer. I then go with my amazingest spray ever, and this is amazing for before and after your makeup. It just makes it look so glowy and nice and just, oh, nice. I then start to conceal. I then go in with my foundation, and I like to use my fingers as I feel like the warmth of my fingers really helps to blend it in and not look dry. And then I like to blend it all with a blending brush so I don't have any streaks or anything. I then use the same colour that I used on my lid, the light colour, and I put that into my crease. I put that into my eyelids, well, underneath my eyelids, and then I go in with my mascara. So with this highlighter, I also put it in a corner of my eye. Just never got it on camera. So off camera, I also applied some lipstick, and now I am ready.
So guys, that was the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, also share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.